storm. Well, they went to the bridge, and the bridge was washed out. So they go up on the hill, and they see the woman's house, and they knock on the door, and they say, "Ma'am, do you have a phone we can use? The bridge is washed out. We got to get to the hospital." The woman said, "No, my phone is out." At that time, there was another knock on the door, and it was the old granny, and she said, "Have you got a closet?" And the woman looked at her kindly funny and said, "Yeah, I've got a closet." She said, "Can you take me to the closet? I got to make a call to get this phone call." So the woman leaves her in the closet. When she gets there, the woman says something like this: "Come on in."